Walasawit Telsqui, Talitlaqua Nooksack. My name is Rosemary LeClaire. My ancestral name is Walasawit. We've been here since time immemorial, and we are a signatory of the Point Elliott Treaty of 1855.
The Nooksack Indian Tribe got selected for this project because of their commitment to renewable energy and their pioneering work in making their tribe a more sustainable and renewable energy-based community for the future.
So it fits in with the larger sustainability goals of the tribe because I believe it is one of the first steps that we'll take in creating renewable energy. I believe that the tribe has a vision to create a better future.
These panels will produce 47 kilowatts of energy or 49,000 kilowatt hours over the course of the year. This is roughly the amount that 4 homes will use in this area. The tribe will be using this energy to offset the tribal administration energy burden and bill, as well as power their PPE warehouse, which they use for critical community needs.
I think just being a tribal member, wanting to be a good steward of the land and keep our resources, our way of life for future generations is important.